How's it going, everybody? Back with another video today. I'm here at one of the body shops I work with. Just picked up a ton of parts, a lot of Tesla parts, very expensive stuff. I haven't been listing that much in a while. It's because I'm actually moving in just a few weeks from California here to Colorado. I'm gonna have to start completely over for my eBay business, you know, working with new auto body shops, finding a new place to store stuff, starting from zero pretty much all over again. So I'm gonna be excited to share that with you guys in the next few weeks. But for right now, I'm just trying to sell as much as I can before I leave. I'll show you a little bit more of the shop here. They just have so much laying around. And if you're into selling larger door panels, bumpers, this shop has so much. And I'm sure a lot of shops around you probably have the same. So I'll show you real quick and then take the car back to my place, list some of this stuff, and hopefully get it sold in the next couple weeks before I leave California. So much stuff here. Just listed this. This is an Audi R8 exhaust. It's stock, so it's not worth that much, but you can see all the body panels, hoods. They're a little bit damaged, but they're still worth so much money. There's running boards over there for a Dodge Ram. And then I just raided this little closet right here. It has so much Tesla stuff. I took out the most expensive parts and left the rest. I've had this Tundra bed listed on Facebook Marketplace for weeks. A guy just asked for a video because it has a few rust spots. We're gonna try and get $700 or $800 for this. Here's even more. There's some grills and larger stuff that I just don't have the time to do because I'm leaving in a few weeks. Larger fenders, fender liners, some wheels, Audi grill, and then just look at this mountain of stuff left over from cars that were in accidents. And you know, this stuff has a little bit of damage, but it's still worth money. And I put some of it on Facebook, but there's so much more that I just don't have the time to do anymore. I'm really not a fan of selling the larger stuff. Just dealing with people on Facebook and trying to ship out everything on eBay is always such a headache. So I focus on smaller stuff I can ship out really quickly. But I've been making this guy at least like $2,000 a month probably for the last 7 or 8 months. So he's sad that I'm leaving. Hopefully he can find somebody else to sell all this junk for him. But that means, yeah, I'm gonna have to find new shops when I move to Colorado. It's gonna be cool starting the whole process over again. That's gonna be like the 3rd or 4th time that I've done that with moves. So I'm gonna head back to my place now. So I figured while I'm driving home, I'll give you a little bit of a life update on me. Like I said, I'm moving from San Diego to Colorado in just a few weeks for a job opportunity there. Really excited about it, but also like sad to leave San Diego. This is, in my opinion, the best city to live in your 20s and 30s. I'm gonna, again, start up my eBay business when I get there. Once I get settled in, probably a month or so. That's gonna require me to find new shops and start completely over from zero. Like I mentioned in my other videos, I do consignment, so I don't own any of this inventory. I sell all this stuff on behalf of the shop. Then when something sells, I take a commission and then I pay out the rest of the money to them. So that's great in that I'm not hesitating or scrambling to get rid of all the inventory because I don't own it, and I'm not taking a loss on anything. I just want to sell as much as I can to make as much as I can before I leave. Overall, that's pretty much all that I got going on. Like I said, I'm going to be super busy over the next few weeks, just packing up and getting ready for the move. The school community has been going pretty well. I have like 25 members now after just like a month or so. People in there have been sharing updates about doing this and seeing the results. So if you watch the channel a lot and you haven't checked that out yet, please do. I'll put a link in the description. It's completely free to join. Just a community of resellers. If you're new, if you're experienced, I have like a crash course video in there for people that are new that want to learn how to do consignment for car parts, and other users share their experiences as well, what they've been selling. If they have any questions, the group and me are there to answer them. That's pretty much all I got. I'm gonna cut off now and then talk to you when I get home. Okay, it's Sunday, a couple days after the last clip that you just saw, and I finally have some time to get the listing here. It's probably like 30 items or so. Right here, I got a couple hours, gonna knock them all out, and then the goal is to sell these as fast as possible because I have about 3 weeks until I'm moving. Let's just sell them at a discount, 20-30% off, like the comps that I see. First up, we got this headlight for a Mercedes SUV. I have no idea what it is, but I'll go back here. I'm also gonna clean it up because it's a bit messy too before I take pictures, but it's got the part number right here for Mercedes. All their part numbers start with the letter A, so it's just that number after that. I'll plug that into Google and throw up some comps on the screen here. This one's in really good condition, no broken tabs, no cracks. Lens is pretty much perfect. Turns out this headlight's worth about 950,000 bucks. I'm gonna take offers, anything reasonable, maybe like 700, 800 bucks. And the last thing I did here is just wrap it in clear wrap. Don't want any more scratches or any other damage happening to it. Next up is this AC condenser and radiator for Tesla Model S. I think it might be new. It's in really good condition, but I can't really tell. Like, this looks brand new to me. We'll list it as used. Again, it's fire sale. That probably could get 300, 400 bucks for this, but gonna list it at 200 plus shipping. Then we got a few rack and pinions for Teslas. This one right here is brand new. I already listed it at the shop. That's 1,000 bucks. And then these two, they're kind of in pieces right now. I'm gonna look up the part numbers and see what they're worth. Just listed the other two rack and pinions. This one, Tesla Model 3. About 100 something bucks for that one, and same thing with this one. I think this one was a little bit more. Again, Tesla Model 3 or Model Y, 200 bucks for that one. Okay, just listed a few more things. This is a Kia Forte rear tail light, and it's brand new. It has the camera in it, and the camera from the factory is like 300 bucks. So I'm gonna ask a decent amount of money for this. This is a suspension airbag for Dodge Ram, brand new. This is a sway link or some kind of control arm link for Tesla. This is brand new taillight for Kia, brand new taillight for Model 3 or Model Y. This is a rear deflector for Tesla. And this last one is a seatbelt for Dodge Ram 1500. Also have the shutter grill for a bunch of GM cars like Yukon, Suburban. Got this listed for 200 bucks. That's pretty much all that I'm gonna list tonight. I have a few other stray parts in the back that I'm gonna do tomorrow. And then I have 7 things I gotta ship out tomorrow morning. So I'll pick the camera back up then when I come back in here and start boxing all that stuff up. Okay, here at the body shop down the street from me, had a bunch of orders that I gotta ship out. A couple of them were here at the shop, a few of them were back home. So I came here, grabbed them. I also had to grab a couple boxes. One of them is a rack and pinion, and it's like 4 feet long, so I gotta find a box. Hopefully there's one here that is pretty similar to the dimensions of that. The setup's kind of a mess right now as we're winding down. There's a bunch of things I haven't listed in here. This is just a wrap on here, but it's a fender for, I think, like an S-Class. It's huge. It's probably worth a ton of money, but I just don't have time to sell it for them. Still have this exhaust system. Couldn't figure out what car it came from, and it's probably worth a ton of money, so that's a shame. This is the Forgiato wheel I got listed for 500 bucks still. Really hoping that sells before I leave. Back home now, and I've gathered everything that we got to get out of the door before the end of today. So let's start off with the sale from last night. I literally just listed this probably 8 hours ago. And this is a control arm for Model Y. Got $90 for it. This is the biggest sale right here. This rack and pinion for Dodge SRT and Grand Cherokee SRT. Got $300 for it and $90 shipping. Thing is, with these tie rods on the end, this adds like another at least 1.5 feet to the length of the box. And I've tried taking them off myself, but they're just really on there. So my other option is take it to my buddy's repair shop, and he can probably get them off with some better tools. I sold another one of these M3 diffusers. It's aftermarket, but it's carbon fiber, and got 150 bucks for that. This is a Dodge Ram ProMaster grill. Got $130 for that. Next is this Ford F-150 bumper cover. These are OEM rotors for S-Class, and you can see it has some rust. I think the other one's even worse, but like they're still new, and sold them at a pretty decent discount. And then last up, another belt molding. Been selling these like crazy. This one's for Jeep Renegade. It's a couple hours later, and I got pretty much everything packed up other than the rack and pinion right here. I just went to my buddy's shop, and he helped me remove the tie rod ends, so that made the box a lot smaller. Just gonna throw these in there and then finish bubble wrapping it. Then I can take everything to the shipping place. Okay, about to drop off all the packages now. It was a pretty good weekend in terms of sales. I think I'm gonna profit about $400 on all these orders, and that's after the fees, shipping, and then paying out the shop their percentage as well. I'm trying to get rid of as much stuff as fast as possible, just so I sell as much as I can before I end up moving. That's all that I got for this one. If you're interested in reselling car parts like I do, check out my school community. It's the first link in the description. I get really excited about the move, starting over again from nothing, and being able to document that for you and watch me grow from zero. Gonna be some great stuff, so thanks again. See you in the next one.